Setting up the rotate fixture cart assembly. Lock the cart wheel brakes. Align the screw holes on the top of the cart, and then place the rotate fixture on the cart. Open the rotate fixture. Push the handle down. You might need to push quite hard. While holding the handle down, unlock the latches on the right and left sides of the fixture by turning them counterclockwise. Attention! After unlocking the latches, slowly lift the handle until it stands vertically. Make sure you hold the handle when opening the rotate fixture. Fasten the screws to attach the 4 L-shaped retainers to the support bars of the rotate fixture, 2 retainers per support bar. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the rotate fixture to the top of the cart.